Listen up, folks. We have a critical case. Sarah Whitman, 38, lives in Zionsville, takes her kids to soccer practice here at Grand Park. Tyler and Gabby, they wanted to wear their long sleeve jerseys. Sarah said you won't need them.
But my forecast clearly showed a 10-degree drop right at kickoff.
She checked her phone, thought that was enough.
Are the kids okay?
They're fine, might miss a practice or two with the sniffles.
CBS 4 This Morning. Breaking news, traffic, and weather reports so accurate, moms don't quite trust their phones.